choosing William James, I really wanted to be somewhere that I can grow academically, and being a part of a community. Even walking in for my interview and orientation, I felt supported from day one, and that really helped fuel my decision to choose William James.
Becoming a psychologist is a calling. It's a lifelong devotion to helping others and making a difference in this world. One of the things I love about psychology is you can grow and develop and evolve. People have many chapters to their career over time. Part of our emphasis at William James College in the doctoral program is to train people in multiple roles. We are an APA accredited program in clinical psychology, which is a very important factor when considering which doctoral program to choose. The doctoral clinical program involves 134 credits taken typically over the course of 5 years. One of the unique things about our program is we have chosen to layer on additional coursework and training in certain areas that we think are critically important to the preparation of the future clinical psychologists.
We have approximately 50 faculty members in the clinical psychology program at William James, which is really beneficial to our students because it offers opportunities for mentorship, for research. Our faculty are teaching the work that they do. So the importance of our practitioner faculty is that our faculty bring their experience into the classroom and they're able to enrich their teaching experience with real-world examples of the type of work that they do.
The content of courses here at William James College have their foundations in psychological scientific research. We refer to this as empirically based practice.
To be a good faculty member, you have to also be practicing. I love to bring in my clinical cases into my classes, and we talk to the students, say, what do you think is going on? Give me your diagnosis, give me your clinical formulation. And so it's very much of a collaborative student-faculty relationship. I often tell students that even though the semester has ended, I will always be available to be a consultant.
Each of your professors here at William James College will bring to the classroom rich experience from the clinical arena, the nuances that can only be learned through experience. The protocols we will share with you, the interventions we will teach you, will be a bedrock for your practice.
Our students end up going out into the field as leaders in the profession. William James is very close to the Boston area, which provides a wide range of different opportunities for work in a variety of different communities.
We start with field work from the very first year of our program. Students cite this as one of the main reasons they select our school.
That is what is unique about William James. You are trained from day one.
They hit the ground running. They will be working hands-on with clients, with patients, with students, doing psychological work under a supervised setting.
This year I've been at my practicum in Boston Public Schools. It's been a tough year for a lot of students too, trying to navigate through COVID and being on Zoom, so really working with the kids to help empower them.
But they really start to take an ownership of the clinical work that they're doing. Students in the clinical psychology program have 5 years of field education training. We're able to tailor to their clinical interests.
This is truly what I was meant to do.
I was so impressed by the quality of their training experience, the solid educational background.
Students meet with their individual supervisors at their field sites every week. That relationship can be transformational into their careers. Several students will go on to become not only employees at those sites, but also supervisors to new students. There really is a great opportunity for learning and development. We created a really impressive APA-accredited internship consortium program, an incredibly rare and an amazing opportunity for William James College students. This has 17 different sites located throughout New England that offer training in various levels at various sites. They are doing the essential work of psychologists.
William James College has really been a pioneer in creating academic programs that are designed to address the mental health needs of underserved communities. This work is vital to the mission of William James College. One of our core values focuses on social responsibility. WJC is invested in recruiting, training, mentoring, and preparing professionals who have the requisite knowledge, the skills, and the experience to deliver culturally competent care to an increasingly diverse society.
I'm really excited for the spring semester. I have 3 Black female professors. Growing up, I never had Black teachers.
We are preparing the next generation of professionals who have a vested interest in making a difference in the lives of these communities.
Training in psychology now is particularly important because the need is greater than it's likely ever been.
My experience has been amazing. There's so much support. I've been able to connect with a lot of my peers and started making friends.
We get up each day and come to work with enthusiasm and with a devotion to really making a difference in the training for our students so that they're really well prepared.
I did my research and I fell in love with the school.